Zach, and welcome to the show. This is Burnt Popcorn Gaming.
Yeah! Well, hey, today's gonna be a little bit different video because I went to a family-friendly local Walmart and I picked up this puzzle. What this is, it's a level 5 out of 6 hold on. They're from Hanayama. Be puzzled. So the challenge is to take it apart and put it back together. This is a level 5 out of 6. And I just got it. I've been fiddling around with it. I have not figured it out. So without further ado, let's just jump into this little guy. And there it is. Look at that. Freaking look how complex that looks. Look. Hold on, I need to be like medicine. Oh, frick. No, don't solve yourself yet. Look at that. All right, without further ado, how do I start the freaking? Oh, frick. All right, it started. This is the watch. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but it started. Right off the bat, it just seems freaking complex. I'm just gonna put this over here, and I'll show it at the very end because it's gonna get in the way of me trying to solve it. That's for sure. Oh, frick! What? Oh my freaking gosh! Oh my! I have to freaking eat when I have it this far. Okay. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to completely take it apart, and I have no idea how to do it. I just can't. This is gonna get on my nerves a little bit. This is whoa. I don't know. I kind of reversed what I did last. I gotta like solve this in a minute and like make my mom proud of me. You gotta have like freaking magician hands. Magician. Oh. Look what we got here. Look at that. I'm close. Frickin' heck. No, I'm not. I'm not solving this. This is freaking ridiculous. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. You might be saying, oh, Zach, why don't you just fit it through this friggin' gap right here? I've tried, and it doesn't work. Stupid puzzle, stupid. I don't even know if I'll be able to solve this. It might be just solid 50 minutes of just me trying to get this sucker apart. What the goal is I gotta friggin' take this thing apart and try and put it back together. It's just a mess. It's just a mess. Oh, frickman. Oh, frickman. I cannot figure it out, man. Oh, I'm going insane. This puzzle's gonna kill me. I'm gonna be dead. I am legit dead right now. So funny. Please just work. Please. Oh. I've cracked the code. I'm here. But where do I go after this? Oh my gosh. Hey, I can solve a Rubik's Cube. I can solve a Rubik's Cube in 40 seconds. But this, oh buddy. This is freaking, oh, I bumped the table. This is freaking ridiculous. Oh my, I'm here. That's all I got. This is all I got. I'm nothing. I can't figure this out. Humpty Dumpty sat on a freaking wall. Where's Humpty Dumpty? I'm speaking absolute gibberish right now. I'm going insane because of this puzzle. I probably should have like solved it beforehand, and I could have done a tutorial. But that probably would have been a year from now. Okay, just bring it back. Okay. Can't bring it. Oh, I can bring it. Oh, holy frick. Come on. No. It was so close. Oh, frick. You guys saw that? How do I get back to the place I was? How do I separate these out? Oh, come on. Okay, so. You two separate. This separation time. Separation time. Where's separation time? I don't know. I don't know where it is. I don't know. Frickin' heck. How do I turn it more? That's the question. I want to solve this and make y'all super impressed. The thing is, I don't know how. Do I have to turn the... head? Oh my god. Shift it. Pull. Push. Hit that good cush. Dang it. No! Gotta make the channel appropriate. The channel's gotta be appropriate. Design two elliptical pieces locked together tightly around the pieces. Repeatedly separate them and put them back together and prove you have what it takes to unlock it. Is this what they planned for me to do? Whoa, wait, whoa. Come on, baby. Who's sadistic enough to make a puzzle like this? Almost. Just twist. I'm just gonna massage it, you know? Just make it loose, make it funky, you know? This looks right. Looks like I'm in the right place right now. This is a place where it looks like it's right.
A few moments later.
I consulted a friend, and he said just smash it with a sledgehammer. And I was honestly debating if I should do that, and I said no, that's cheating. And so I decided I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna do it. And sink. And sink. Okay. So I'm gonna set this right up on something. Nope, that'll be echoey. Hold on. How do I get you to stay? There you go. Okay, so I got a better microphone. It's right beside me, and I still haven't figured this out. What would be the point of these gosh darn tracks right here and right here if I can't get to them, you know? There needs to be a gap in which it can extend out. I want to do this. I really want to just slide it out of the gap. But then it's on these tracks, and it doesn't let me slide them out. Gosh, freaking heck. Oh, what this means. See, look at it. It's like teasing me. Maybe. Hold on. So I was, where was I? I was here, and maybe I just that's the result I need, is turning it. Oh my freaking gosh. And I'm back to where whoa, wait, maybe I'm not back to where I started. Maybe I am. I'm back to where I started. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. This is aggravating me to a point I don't even know. So here's the main two moves I know are freaking switch the gosh darn pieces around. That's about it. That's all I got, folks. I need to get this sucker to stop being such a sucker and start being a winner, you know? Are you kidding me? My iPhone storage is full? Alright, sync? Oh, wait, hold on. This is different. they line up. Do they line up? Oh. Oh! 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 Yeah! Dude, that's not how locks work. That's how this one did. This baby broke. I unlocked it. Putting this baby back together. Put one piece in here. Put one piece in there. And how do I do this? Holy heck and a half. Oh my gosh. Oh, frick. It just fit. Just fit, please. Just fit. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! I did it. I did it. I just solved it. I solved it and put it back together. In a solid hour and 18 minutes. You know what? You can achieve your wildest dreams if you spend about an hour and 18 minutes solving a puzzle. This was freaking painful. No joke. I wanted to die by the time I solved this. If you want to get this, you want to torture yourself with this gosh dang puzzle, I'll put the link in the description, and then you can go try it yourself. Because this took me an hour and 18 minutes, and I want to die. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Tell me what you think in the comments below, because, what I think of this, I think it's garbage worth. And as always, we hope you enjoyed the show.